Hey there YouTube, Joshua C here. Just another video for a tech tip here. I know most of you guys have projects, and if you're like me, if you're off, sometimes you ignore them longer than you need to. But another tip that you guys could do is for fasteners, right? I know you could tape it, you could bag it, you could bag and label, right? Bag tag. But you could also run it into the appropriate threads that the particular fastener threads into, so you could try that method. However, for something like bell housing, or like in this case is for my Porsche, the torque tube, the bell housing, right? There's different length fasteners, and it's going to be hard if I just bundle it. So what you could do, tech tip that I do, is I actually run zip ties on them, and that prevents them from coming out. So you could actually just put them down, and they'll still stay to where they need to be. So what you do is you just make a little loop around the threads, and you could actually run them on as like little nuts, and that prevents them from jostling loose. So it's pretty cool. It's like little lock keeps. So hopefully that helps you guys out in preventing losing fasteners. You can take pictures, all the above. All these things could help you keep your project together so you don't lose your head. So you guys take care.